Hello and welcome to another series of To The Point. I am Sonali. Today's topic of discussion is black fever, that is Kala Azar. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. Recently, districts of Bengal reported cases of black fever or Kala Azar disease. Kala Azar is the second largest parasitic killer in the world after malaria. Now let's discuss about Kala Azar or Leishmaniasis. Kala Azar or visceral leishmaniasis is a protozoan parasitic disease spread by sandfly bites. Sandflies are brown in color and have hairs on their bodies. The flies are infected with the parasite called Leishmania donovani. The vector sandfly is known to live in cracks and crevices of muddy houses, especially in dark and humid corners. According to the World Health Organization, that is WHO, there are three main forms of leishmaniasis. Visceral leishmaniasis, which affects multiple organs and is the most serious form of the disease. Cutaneous leishmaniasis, which causes skin sores and is the most common form. And mucocutaneous leishmaniasis, which causes skin and mucosal lesions. Visceral leishmaniasis, known as Kala Azar in India, is the most serious form. Now let's have a look at its symptoms. Irregular bouts of fever over many days, weight loss, enlargement of the spleen and liver, and anemia are known symptoms. The skin may become dry, thin, and scaly in patches, and hair may be lost. In people with a light skin tone, grayish discoloration of the skin of hands, feet, abdomen, and face may be seen. This is why the disease is called black fever. Now let's understand about its treatment. Leishmaniasis is a treatable and curable disease which requires an immunocompetent system. Thus, those having a weak immune system are prone to get severely affected. All patients diagnosed require prompt and complete treatment. Vector control is recommended by the WHO, which means reducing the transmission of disease by decreasing the number of sandflies. Now let's discuss about National Kala Azar Elimination Program. Initially, the government aimed to eliminate the disease in India by 2015, but that deadline was missed. However, the number of cases has been brought down significantly through the National Kala Azar Elimination Program. India signed a tripartite Memorandum of Understanding, that is MOU, with Bangladesh and Nepal to achieve Kala Azar elimination from the Southeast Asia region, that is SEAR. Presently, all programmatic activities are being implemented through the National Vector-Borne Disease Control Program, that is NVB-DCP. NVB-DCP is an umbrella program for prevention and control of vector-borne diseases. It is subsumed under National Health Mission, that is NHM. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements with reference to the visceral leishmaniasis. 1. Visceral leishmaniasis is a protozoan parasitic disease spread by sandfly bites. 2. According to the WHO, that is World Health Organization, there are three main forms of leishmaniasis, in which cutaneous leishmaniasis is the most serious form. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.